What is poppin', everybody? We are back. I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. I need a haircut. Ray, my guy, if you ever see this, please hit me up. I need a haircut so badly. Day 4. Aunt, how's it going today? How are you feeling? I hope you're enjoying your day.
How's it going, Morgan? Thank you, Zing. My day has been great until you woke me up this morning very abruptly with a FaceTime call. But that's besides the point. I hope everyone's having a great day. So, let's start it off with the weather.
Hey Morgan, how y'all doing today? I'm Sultan Abendis, your weatherman, and I'm coming to you not from my beach, but rather from my porch to tell you that yes, I've got trees in the back. But anyway, I know they're good for you, but that's not important right now. What's important is I tell you the weather for today, tomorrow, and Friday. Alright, so today, we got some slight winds down here, and it's 48 degrees. That's kind of nut. It's a bit chilly today, but also we got the sunlight, so very nice. You should still get out. It's going to be okay. Tomorrow, it will go up to about 50 degrees. That's a little warm. Well, kind of warm, you know? But at the same time, you know, you'd still get out. It's still nice, even though it is quarantine. And then Friday, it will drop back down to about 49. Not as cold, but 48 and 49, they're kind of the same. You know, Morgan? Alright, that's your weather for the 3 days. I'll see you all again soon.
Susan, amazing job on the weather. Thank you so much. Yeah, I got bored and got into a kayak.
Good job, Zing. Nice kayak. You do you, whatever floats your boat. But off to Robbie with workouts that you can do at home during quarantine.
Well, that's good. It's Fire the Jazzolas here. And now that we got our interviews over with, today I'll be showing you some workouts you can do at home. So today we'll be doing a lunge. And a lunge you can do anytime, and it's a great leg exercise for you. So first, you want to make sure your upper body is straight, and you want to find something that's standing still, either a wall or anything. So when you do the lunge, make sure to step out with your right or left, doesn't matter. And then you want to go down with your left, touch the ground like you're doing a one-leg squat, and then come up, and then you're going to repeat these. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure your core is involved, because if your core is not involved, then when you go down, you're going to lose your balance, and it'll mess you up, and there would be no point to the workout. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure you want to do this 10 times on each leg for 3 sets. So when you're doing these workouts, want 2 things. Make sure your core is involved, very important, and then make sure to have fun with it. Because if you're not having fun, then there's no point in the workout. Alright, good luck. Make sure you're doing these workouts to stay in shape, and I'll see you next time.
Robbie, I hope this works as a workout. Thank you so much for teaching me how to get swollen big and lift big things. But there's a lot of blood rushing to my head right now, so I'm just not going to do this anymore.
Yeah, thank you, Robbie, for teaching us how to do workouts, even though Zing decided to hang upside down like a monkey instead. But anyways, good job, Zing. Be a little careful, though. Don't want you getting hurt. But off to What You Wearing Wednesday with Aaron.
Hey guys, it's me, Aaron, and today I want to show you the fit I got on. So I have this little jacket from American Eagle, and then I have this little shirt underneath with some cute little flowers on it, very spring. This is from Brandy Melville. And then I have these jeans on from Garage, and these shoes from Zara. Thanks for watching. Back to you, Mike and Anthony.
Thank you, Aaron, for What You Wearing Wednesday. You know, I'm rocking a pretty fire fit myself. You know, I'm rocking the blue American Eagle t-shirt, you know, the Nike shorts, and then, you know, for the shoes we got the Jordan 72 low slides, you know, classics. Yeah, Aunt, you want to rep what you're wearing today? That'd be lovely. Thank you.
Sure, Zing. You know, today we're wearing the tie-dye mixed American Eagle. Oh, this is Hollister, I think. Hollister sweatshirt. I got on a pair of gray Champion sweats, not standing up because I'm on my bed, and a pair of Nike socks, you know, got the logo right there. You know, That's it. That's all I have on. But other than that, that's what I'm wearing today. Thank you, Zing, for showing what you're wearing. But yeah, back to Zing.
Thank you. Yes, thank you, Ant. Good job. We forgot about the drip on the wrist, though, but who cares? But now we're going to send it down to Alex, the Slim Reaper, Urban, and Big Louie for On the Brook.
Better social distancing.
All right, so today we're here on Conversations on the Brook, to bring you some substance, some nice juicy things that you can do during quarantine.
You all might be getting tired of hearing things to do during quarantine, but we've got a couple ideas for the beginning of the season to tell you about to keep you busy. Something we'll be talking about today: music. Everybody loves it. Different tastes.
Everyone
different
does love it.
Music.
You know, everyone has their preference. You know, everyone has their own taste. That's the beauty of music, you know? You could like something that somebody else doesn't like, and that's perfectly okay.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
That is true.
Well, here are different ways to listen to music. You know, one, re-listen to your favorite albums, or try new albums. Try listening to them in order. Try making your own playlists and sharing with friends. You know, they all might enjoy that.
Yeah, also, like you said, you can share playlists with your friends, you know, show them what you like listening to. You can spice it up, you know, show each other some different artists or genres that you think they might like, or even something that they should just try listening to. You know, I want to say thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something new. You got some substance out of this. Anything to say, Lewis?
And as always, 6 feet apart.
6 feet apart.
Great job, Alex and Louie, talking about music and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a phenomenal day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, I won't see you, but I'll be talking to you guys tomorrow. You get what I'm saying.
Like said, that is it for today. Have a great one, and I hope everyone enjoys this decent day outside. See you, Morgan.